In this video, you'll learn how to convert Ethereum or ETH to Elrond, known as EGLD, using the Bitget platform. By following these steps, you will successfully execute the conversion of your cryptocurrency assets. To get started, navigate to the Bitget exchange website using your preferred web browser. Once the site loads completely, you will see the main dashboard, which includes various options for trading and managing your cryptocurrency assets. Next, locate the trade option on the main navigation menu. This is typically found at the top of the page. Clicking on trade will redirect you to the trading interface, where you can view different trading options, including spot trading and futures. After that, find and click on the convert and block trade option. This section allows you to quickly convert one cryptocurrency to another without engaging in a full trading process. The interface will update to display the conversion tools. Now, click on the convert button. This will bring up a new window where you can specify the details of your conversion. It's advisable to check your available balance and ensure that you have sufficient ETH for the conversion to EGLD. Once this appears, click on the From drop-down menu. This menu allows you to select the cryptocurrency you want to convert from. You will see a list of available assets. Find and click on USDT to change it to Ethereum. Next, type ETH into the search bar that appears. This will filter the options to show Ethereum. Select ET from the list once it appears. This action confirms that you are converting from Ethereum. Following that, click on the To drop-down menu. This menu is for selecting the cryptocurrency you want to convert to. After clicking, you will see another list of cryptocurrencies. Click on BTAC to change it to Elrond. You will need to type EGLD into the search bar to filter the options. Once EGLD appears, click on it to select it as your target cryptocurrency. Now, after you have selected EGLD, review the conversion rate displayed on the screen. This will give you an idea of how much EGLD you will receive for your ETH. Ensure that you are satisfied with the rate before proceeding. Once you confirm the conversion rate, click on the convert button to finalize the transaction. After clicking, the system will process your request, and you may see a loading indicator while it completes the operation. Once the conversion is successful, you will receive a confirmation message indicating the amount of EGLD received. You can then check your wallet balance to verify that the conversion has been completed successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.